Hello everyone, my name is Sierra from Visa Place and welcome to Immigration Tube, where we keep you updated with the latest news in immigration and hopefully get you closer to reaching your immigration goals. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button up there so you're notified when we have a new video uploaded that could possibly help you out. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the 5 ways that you can work in the United States legally. So let's get started. Thousands of individuals seek immigration to the United States to explore great opportunities and create a better life for themselves and their family yearly. Whether you come with valuable experience, extraordinary skills, or sufficient funds to invest or start a business, there is an option for you. Working in the U.S. illegally can severely hurt your chances to stay in the U.S. in the future, and it is a complex process to recover from. To ensure this doesn't happen to you, let's explore 5 ways that you can work in the United States legally. Number 1, your first option is to obtain a U.S. job offer. When you secure a job offer by a U.S. employer, you are given a few temporary work visas to apply for, which include the H-1B visa, which is the most popular U.S. work permit that allows foreigners to work in specialty occupations for U.S. employers, the TN visa, which is for Canadians or Mexicans under the USMCA NAFTA agreement, the L1 visa if you are being transferred to an existing U.S. business, and the E3 visa, which gives Australian nationals the chance to work in the U.S. within their specialty occupation and the result of the Australia-United States Free Trade Agreement. Option 2 is for those looking to start a business. The options available for those individuals interested in starting a business or expanding to the U.S. include the E2 visa, which is designed for owners and investors in businesses in the U.S., the E1 visa, which is also known as the Treaty Trade visa, which is a non-immigrant visa for business owners or investor citizens of countries that the U.S. has a treaty of commerce with, and the L1 visa, which was already mentioned earlier, but this is also a great chance for those looking to expand their business in the United States. Number 3, let's say you have great experience and extraordinary skills. The O1 visa is intended for people who possess extraordinary skills in arts, sciences, business, education, or athletics, or those who have a solid track record of extraordinary performance in the motion picture and television industry. These applicants have been identified and acknowledged domestically and internationally for their excellence. Number 4, even when you're studying in the United States, you are also given the option to work in the U.S. through an OPT or CPT, which are 2 types of temporary employment opportunities available to non-immigrant student visa holders. And number 5, your last option for working in the U.S. legally is for religious workers through the R1 visa. This visa is not super popular, but there is no cap for how many applicants are approved. So if you fall under this category, I'd say you have a great chance of being approved. The R1 visa is a non-immigrant visa that is designed to help eligible religious workers to work within the U.S. for a religious organization. Now it's time to do some research. If you are looking for more information about these individual options, visit visaplace.com to learn more. If you or someone you know is ready to start the process, then book a consultation with Visa Place today so we can get you closer to reaching your immigration goals.